Introducing a new experimental feature in Mindjoy, Tutor Insights, a revolutionary way of looking at the learning of your students and getting automatic insights into their learning, simply by ending a tutor session. These insights give you a view into how the learning in the class has gone, from simple information like the total time spent learning, the active time spent learning, and the amount of questions asked and answered during the learning session, to viewing interactive graphs of their engagement time and their active engagement in the learning process, being able to pinpoint those students that you need to actively intervene with. The big win though is being able to get an automated read on the misconceptions in your class. Just imagine a list of the misconceptions your students have got, as well as the reason for that, and a breakdown of the root causes, all in one automated process. But that's not all, because students get their own version of an insights report which is unique to them. Simply by clicking Tutor Insights and then clicking on the tutor they were using, they get a student view of what they've done and how they can do better, including looking at critical thinking skills and how to work better with their AI tutor itself. They also get some great visualizations into the learning and some misconceptions analysis too. So there you have it, something new and insightful from Mindjoy. Use these insightful reports to plan your next lesson and to make sure you have the most impact in your classroom. We'd love to see what you do with it.